So for my next project, I'm going to be making an island for our friend's house. So I've already gone ahead and bought base kitchen cabinets from Home Depot. So what I'll do is I'll sand it and then paint it in a dark grey colour. For the countertops, as their house is a rental, so we don't want to spend too much money on the island. So instead of using like a quartz countertop, I'm actually going to be making it myself with like an MDF board, and then I'm going to paint it in a black base color, add some white marble lines, and then add that epoxy coating on top. Hopefully, if it turns out right, it should look somewhat like a normal countertop. So yeah, for that I'm going to be doing it in like a waterfall style with an overhang at the back so that we can have bar seating underneath. This is the first time I'm making an island or doing like an epoxy countertop, so yeah, I really hope that it turns out well and comes out like how I imagine it will be. So here are my cabinets. For the sides, you can see the front trim piece, sticks out over here. The distance that it sticks out is about 1/4 inch. So I got another piece of board that's 1/4 inch, and I'm going to fit it directly in this little hole. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to trace around this wood piece so I know where to cut, and then I will glue and nail gun this to the sides, and that should make the side of my cabinet very flush. The reason I need it flush is because I'm making a waterfall countertop, so the waterfall side will need to have something to stick to. So if this sticks out, then my waterfall piece cannot contact this cabinet, so I definitely need something over here to make the surface flush like this, and then I'll stick the side countertop onto here. Here are my two pieces that I've cut, and now I'm just going to fit it to the side of the cabinet like this. So these are the two cabinets. You can see when we've pressed it close together, there's still a gap in between. So I've cut MDF board to fit exactly in this space. And I'm just going to apply wood glue, and then I'm going to nail these boards together, and this should secure the two cabinets together into one big island. So these are the cabinets. So they are hollow on top. So I'm adding a thin piece of 1/4 inch MDF board on the top, and I'm just going to nail gun it to the areas where I have the cabinet support underneath. And this is what I'll be gluing the MDF countertop onto. So this basically increases the surface area for which the countertop can hold onto. This is the assembled kitchen island. I still have to add the back piece, and I need to make the countertop into epoxy. But this is more or less what it will look like. So we have 45-degree meter joints over here to make a waterfall countertop. So I've already done the base cabinets, and I've just made the accent piece and painted it. In terms of the countertop, I'm actually making it from MDF board and doing like an epoxy coating in like a waterfall style. Currently that's still work in progress. The countertops are still in the next room. So in the meantime, what I'm going to do are the pendant lights. So their apartment is a rental, so we're actually not going to be running electrical wires through the pendants. What I'm doing instead is I got these battery operated light bulbs. So I'm going to be sticking them with 3M tape within the pendant housing, and that is actually how we will get our source of light. So we'll be able to open and close the lights with a remote control. So this is the pendant light that I finished, and this is what it looks like without the light bulb. So originally it has a hole where you can put the light bulb. So what I did was I first stuck a green tape inside to increase the surface area by which I can stick a light bulb to it. So after the green tape, I used a 3M sticker. I attached that to the light bulb, and then I stuck it to the green tape. And this is the results. So I have a remote, and I can open and close the light easily.